Are you ready to unleash your inner creator without breaking the bank? Welcome to the world of budget-friendly 3D printers, where the only limit is your imagination. Forget the myth that quality printing comes at a high price. We're here to show you that innovative designs and impressive capabilities can be had for a fraction of the cost. So, grab your nerdy goggles and let's dive into the best budget 3D printers that won't clog your finances. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Lite, our pick for best budget auto-leveling 3D printer. Are you ready to elevate your 3D printing game without breaking the bank? Meet the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Lite, the budget-friendly auto-leveling wonder that's here to make your printing dreams a reality. Say goodbye to the days of manual adjustments and frustrating failed prints. With its one-click automatic printing, the Adventurer 5M series ensures that your first layer sticks like it's in a committed relationship. And with a lightning-fast printing speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration at 20,000 mm per second squared, it's like having a turbo boost for your creativity. Perfect for those rapid prototyping marathons. Let's talk design. This beauty features quick 3-second nozzle changes and a high-flow nozzle that warms up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds. Talk about efficiency. The dual-sided PEI platform means you can say farewell to stubborn prints. Removal is as easy as a Sunday morning. But wait, there's more. With dual fan nozzles and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, expect nothing less than the creme de la creme of print quality. And keep your eyes on your creations from anywhere with the Flashmaker mobile app. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to your 3D printing escapades. So, whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, the Adventurer 5M Lite is your new partner in creative crime, ready to help you turn wild ideas into tangible masterpieces. Get printing. Number 4. Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, our pick for best budget, fast setup 3D printer. Are you ready to unleash your creativity without breaking the bank? Meet the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, your new best friend in the world of 3D printing. This little powerhouse weighs a mere 18 ounces, but is anything but lightweight when it comes to performance. With a mind-blowing maximum print speed of 250 mm per second, you'll wave goodbye to tedious wait times. Your ideas will come to life 5 times faster than before. And if you want that sweet spot between speed and quality, just dial it down to a recommended 150 mm per second. Your prints will look as sharp as your wit. The Kobra 2 Neo sports a cutting-edge integrated extruder that melts filaments like butter thanks to its 60-watt Hotend. With the added oomph of a 7,000 RPM cooling fan, your creations will solidify faster than you can say 3D printed masterpiece. Worried about quality? Don't be! With linear propulsion and input shaping features, print spillage and resonance will be as extinct as your last failed project. And for all you novices out there, the LeviQ 2.0 automatic leveling takes the guesswork out of setup, making it a breeze to jump into your creative journey. So if you're ready to elevate your 3D printing game without burning a hole in your pocket, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to gadget. Still searching for the perfect budget 3D printer? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Sovol SV06 Plus, our pick for best budget all-metal Hotend 3D printer. Are you ready to take your 3D printing game to the next level without breaking the bank? Meet the Sovol SV06 Plus, the budget-friendly all-metal Hotend printer that's here to unleash your creative genius. Weighing in at a solid 14 kilograms, this beast is as sturdy as it is efficient. Unlike most of those flimsy wheelbase printers out there, the SV06 Plus boasts a classic i3 structure that sidesteps wear and tear drama. With a generous 300 by 300 by 340 millimeters printing area, you'll have plenty of room for your ambitious designs. And fear not, assembling this beauty is a breeze. Just 5 simple steps and you're ready to roll speed demons. Rejoice! The SV06 Plus is equipped with a high-flow all-metal Hotend that lets you print at a blazing 250 millimeters per second, upgradable to 350 millimeters per second with the extra clipper screen. No more fumbling with PTFE tubes. This baby can handle up to 300 degrees Celsius printing. Plus, its planetary dual-gear direct drive ensures your filament is extruded precisely, making your prints as breathtaking as your vision. Need help with leveling? You've got it. With 25-point auto leveling, it's like having a personal assistant to ensure your first layers are perfect. And when it's time to remove your masterpieces, the flexible PEI build plate has got your back. So unleash your inner maker and let the Sovol SV06 Plus make your 3D dreams come true. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini, our pick for best budget multicolor 3D printer. Are you ready to elevate your 3D printing game without breaking the bank? Say hello to the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, your new budget-friendly buddy that packs a punch. Weighing in at just 8.1 kilograms, this compact marvel combines high-speed precision with a dash of style, thanks to its sleek gray finish with bamboo accents. Feel the thrill of an acceleration rate that can make your heart race. 10,000 millimeters per second squared. Yep, you heard that right. You'll be producing intricate designs faster than you can say layer adhesion. And with multicolor printing made easy using AMS Lite, your creations will burst with vibrant life, just like your imagination. Just remember, to unlock all those colors, AMS Lite is a must, so consider bundling up. Calibration headaches? Not here. The A1 Mini's full auto calibration takes care of that with the ease of a tap on the touchscreen, letting you focus on your creative ambitions. Plus, enjoy the quiet hum of ingenuity in action. At less than or equal to 48 decibels, you can chat without raising your voice. So, whether you're printing practical gadgets or downright whimsical wonders, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini makes it all smooth sailing. Get ready to turn your ideas into reality with flair, fun, and unbeatable value. Your creative journey just got a whole lot more exciting. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Creality Ender 3V 3SE, our pick for best budget 3D printer overall. Are you on the hunt for a 3D printer that won't break the bank? Say hello to the Creality Ender 3V3 SE. This little marvel is not just your typical printer. It's like a speedy cheetah in the world of 3D printing, zipping along at a blistering 250 millimeters per second. Other printers might leave you twiddling your thumbs, but with this beauty, you'll have your models ready in no time, making you the envy of every hobbyist in the neighborhood. Setting it up? A breeze. You'll be printing in just 20 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. With its auto-leveling wizardry, the Ender 3V3 SE ensures your first layer is as perfect as a freshly baked souffle. Worried about compatibility? Fear not, the Sprite Direct Extruder handles everything from PLA to TPU, so you can unleash your creativity without limits. And let's not forget about its dual Z-axis stability that practically eliminates wobble, ensuring each print is as precise as a Swiss watch. Plus, the silent mainboard means you can print away while binge-watching your favorite shows, without feeling like you have a jet engine in your living room. So why wait in the queue for the next best thing? The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is ready to help you turn your wildest 3D dreams into reality. Get yours today and start crafting magic. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best budget 3D printers. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which budget 3D printer you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.